thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over Lonely Trip by Trey Anastasio from the Quarantine album. Really, really cool song. I hadn't listened to it too much. Just came across my playlist again here recently. It's a really great song. It's actually pretty simple. There's only 3 chords in the entire song. So we'll go over those chords, we'll go over this awesome little riff, and it will be stuck in your head the more you watch this video, that is for sure. So we'll go ahead and dig into all that. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. Okay, so for Lonely Trip, the only chords in the song, there's an E, an A, and a G sharp minor. Now you can play your standard E. I think primarily for the A, Trey's playing the Trey A here. So we've got the 7th fret here on the D, 6th on the G, and 5th on the B. Now I'm playing the E. I'm playing my E down here, and it's a pretty fun way to play the E, I think. So I'm barring the 4th fret here. Then I have my middle finger on the 5th fret of the B. My ring is on the 6th of the D, and my pinky is on the 7th of this A here. And that's my root note. That is the E. Alright, so again, this is how I'm playing it. I can go over how to play it from the standard, the standard E as well. But so let's start with the awesome riff here. So the reason I like playing this E here, it allows you to get into that riff easier, I think, personally, and I just like the way it sounds. So starting with this E shape here, hit that root note, so it's root, strum, and then, alright, so for that we are starting here on the 4th fret here of this G, hammering into the 6th and pulling off. Okay. Alright, and then from here, go on to the 4th on the D, 6, 7, then you're going to the 5th fret here on this B, and then 6th fret here on the G. So really you want to get from here, you want to get into your A shape. Okay. So once you get to that A shape, you can hit a few more strings here. So once you hit this A here, you can hit the B and then the G, and basically you're just kind of walking down that A chord. Do that one more time here. And you'll just practice that over and over until you get very comfortable with it. So it plays that intro, plays that riff twice, and then it just goes into the chord progression, which is just the E to the A. So you'll play the chord progression 3 times here, and on that 4th line of the verse, where it's like drifting out to sea, then you go back to the riff. if you have trouble, you know, with this shape here, what I would say is to keep practicing it because it's a really cool shape. And if you're playing songs that have like a C sharp minor, you can switch that E, which is really cool. So anyway, if you're having trouble with this shape, you can't quite get that down, you can obviously just play your E, standard E up here. So you can definitely play it that way. I like this one. I think this one sounds a little bit better, but they both sound awesome. So then for the chorus, again, the first part of that progression is just the E here. So So just playing your E here to the A, and then you're going to do a walk down here, back to the A. So it's open on the E, 2nd fret, open on the E, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 7th fret, then to your A. So do that again here. Here we go to your G sharp minor. So barring the 4th fret here, middle finger is on the 6th here of the A, and pinky is on the 6th of the D. Then back to your A. Alright, and then it ends back to the riff. And really, that is the song. So let's go ahead and just play through intro, verse, and chorus. So you guys can play along here. We'll play it at normal speed. Second verse. Chorus. Alright guys, that is Lonely Trip. Hope this helps you guys out. Please leave any feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.